So you first want to get your blender prepped and ready and get our ingredients ready as well. So I'm going to cut in some apples. I prefer to use green apples because it gives nice color to the smoothie, but I don't have, so I'm gonna use the red apples that I have in my fridge. I'll go ahead and use some lettuce green. Spinach is great because it also has milder taste, which is preferred by a lot of women. I'm going ahead to add some frozen mango. Frozen mango adds some coolness to the smoothie because cold foods don't have strong smell and taste to them. People who are going through morning sickness have heightened smell that warm foods might be a trigger. Now add chia seeds. Chia seeds adds a bit of fiber and a little bit of protein. I'm going ahead to add some hemp hearts for its protein and omega-3 fatty acid, and also the nutty flavor it adds to the smoothie. I will link this in the description box below for easy access, and the recipe will be there as well. Add some cashew for a creamy and smooth texture to your smoothie. I'm going to add some ginger and lemon, both of which are key ingredients for reducing your nausea symptoms. I'm gonna add some dates for sweetness. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of black seed because it's sunnah food, and the date is also a prophetic inspired food that I really like to add into my food, and they are some of the favorite foods of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So you want to also emulate that and add some prophetic food, especially now that you are pregnant. Adding those food are tremendously helpful. And lastly, we're gonna need some liquid to blend all the ingredients together. I'm using milk, but plain water or coconut water are excellent options as well. Go ahead and blend to smooth. Pour in a glass and enjoy. Using a straw to sip slowly and steadily is helpful as it encourages slow and mindful eating, which also helps with subsiding triggers of nausea. This is such an easy smoothie recipe, but packed with nutrients and antioxidants that would help you to feel fuller for longer, stabilize your blood sugar levels, reduce nausea symptoms, and help you feel much better.